fighting, never give me rest. Voices in me head from the battles before. Still hear the crying and the sound of war. But Jah guide me when my spirit weak. Put strength in my soul when me could not speak. Now me stand tall by the ocean blue. Healing from the storm, Jah carry me through. These war scars never fade away. Still me give thanks every day. Roots reggae heal me broken heart. Jah light shining through the dark. Island breeze calm me soul tonight. Keep me moving toward the light. Even wounded warriors stand tall. Jah never let these children fall. Jah never let these children fall. Oh. Whole dark nights and me can't sleep right. Memories flash like thunder at night. Too many brothers never made it home. Now me pray for peace wherever they roam. Palm trees sway and the fire burns slow. Only Jah really know me sorrow. But the waves keep singing hope to me soul. Little by little Jah make me whole. These war scars never fade away. Still me give thanks every day. Roots reggae heal me broken heart. Jah light shining through the dark. Island breeze calm me soul tonight. Keep me moving toward the light. Even wounded warriors stand tall. Jah never let these children fall. Hey. Jah never let these children fall. Why? Turn me pain into a testimony. Jah love and grace still cover me. From the battlefield to the coconut trees, finally breathing with a heart at peace. Was scarred deep but me spirit free. One love forever inside of me.